on it. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm doing gungo rice and peas and curry tripe and cowed. Here I have my tripe and cowed, some green gungo, scallion and thyme, some powder jerk season to the bone, a pack of curry, a pack of Maggi all-purpose season, carrot, Irish, onion, hot pepper, garlic and sweet pepper. Now I'm going to start the process and show you how I done my gungo rice and peas and curry cowed and tripe. I'm gonna season my meat. Season to the bone, powder season. Jerk powder season. Maggi all-purpose. Curry powder. Better pack curry powder. Now I'm going to cut up a peg of garlic on it. Piece of hot pepper. A small piece of onion. And now I'm gonna mix it up. Mixing it up all together. Cowed and tripe. Now my cowed and tripe finished season up. Now I'm going to leave it to marinate for about 3 to 2 hours. Here I washed my gungo, put it on, and now I'm going to add 2 pegs of garlic, some salt, and leave it to cook. I put on the stove to cook my curry tripe and curry cowed. Now I'm going to add some oil to burn my curry. Now I'm adding my curry to burn. Now my curry is burning. I'm going to shake it up a bit, make it burn properly. Now I'm going to add in my meat. Giving it a stir. Giving it another stir. And now I'm going to add some water. Putting it to pressure. Now I'm leaving it to pressure for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now my gungo has cooked here. Now I'm gonna add in some coconut milk. Add in some salt. Add in scallion, thyme, and also a hot pepper, green hot pepper. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. Add in piece of butter, giving it a stir. Mash my rice. Now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Adding my rice to the pot. Then giving it a stir. My curry tripe and cowhead is finished pressure. Now I transfer it in another pot, in a different pot. Now I'm going to give it a stir. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. Giving it a stir. Now I'm going to add in all my natural season. Giving it a stir. Adding a piece of thyme. And now I'm going to add some broad bean. Giving it a stir. Turn it. My gungo rice and peas all finished now with my curry, tripe and cowhead. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it look like. And this is the final of my curry, cowhead and tripe and gungo rice. I plate it with some pasta. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.